Hi, very good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I think you are in the office right now.
Yeah, that
Okay.
yeah. So may I know about you and how are you doing?
Yeah,
How's
I'm doing great. I'm doing great, and my day was just go good also. And I would like to introduce myself. My name is Brahmanan. I belongs to UP, and right now I'm working in Noida. So that's why I have. It's been long 5 years. I'm working on IT sectors, and my profile is like a Oracle DBA, who manage the customer data. So it's been long 5 years in same company. I would realize it's not good for me and not good for my career. In my company, there was not so much environment for English speaking, and just only I know the English, but in terms of speaking, we should to lack. So that's why I have totally indulged for before 4 months. I will totally indulge with this language, and I have started my in the month of March. I have started my YouTube channel. It's been I conduct 60 to 7. I uploaded 60 videos, and yeah, it's give me the lots of confidence. And yeah, that's what's pretty about me.
okay, that's great. Okay, you are working. At the same time, you are trying to like working on your passion. Actually, the thing is,
Hmm.
okay, firstly, I will introduce myself.
Yeah.
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 So, as you know, my name is Kulbir Kaur and I'm from Punjab. And if I talk
Hmm.
about my qualification, I hold BCA and MCA degree. And now I'm working as a assistant professor at Lovely Professional University. So,
Hmm.
if I talk about my hobbies, I totally enjoy whenever I do such activities where I feel I'm improving. So I'm
Hmm.
fond of improving personality. So that's all pretty much about me. So if I talk about my English journey, I started my English journey in 2025, Jan 2025. Not properly Jan 2025. Actually, at that time, I used to practice with ChatGPT. So after that, in mid of November or December, I started speaking. So now
Hmm.
I'm on YouTube also where I share my journey with everyone so that
Hmm.
they also take benefit and they can also take first baby steps so that they can start speaking. So that's pretty much what me. So the
Yeah,
thing
it's
is, as you said, uh, you are in corporate sector and you feel sometimes stuck while you want to talk with someone in
mm,
English. So the thing is,
mm.
at that time we feel okay, we should need to learn English. Why you didn't start earlier to work on your pronunciation skill?
Is there, ma'am? Yeah, you know the we are living in North India, so everyone be just in terms of speaking, we should be just speaking in Hindi only, just language. So we are so much comfortable at that place because everything is going so much smoothly. Keep things on my table and everything is sorted. So that's why. But I would realized so that there was a 4 to 5 months, 4 to 5 years in being same company. It's not good for me and not good for my career also. So just in terms of we should know to because we are studying in CBSE school. I have also done BCA MCA. So I know the English, but in terms of speaking, there is not so much environment because even the HR, even the manager could be speaking in Hindi. So why you should be speaking in English? So if you are speaking in English in your office in normal way, so everyone see whether why you are seeing speaking. You are just a cool. You are just like a foreigner, and you are just like
They sometimes
what
they
you
try
show.
to pull
Yeah,
your leg. Why you are
yeah,
speaking in English?
yeah.
Okay, I
So
can relate.
yeah, things would. But I understand in terms of southern part of India,
Hmm.
everyone should be
But
not know the.
actually, at
Hmm,
my workplace, it's totally opposite because there is uh, all staff member, all students, most of the time, they all are good at English. But when I joined LPU, when I got job at LP level, so at that time I felt okay, I'm nothing as compared to them. even I have a knowledge, technical knowledge, but I wasn't able to speak properly. So because of that, many time I feel regret on myself why I didn't work on it. So that imbalance moment like hit
Hmm.
me to start working on it. So in 2025, I get chance because at that time I was totally free because of pregnancy. So within I think 2 3 months, I improved. I gained the habit of speaking. So the thing is,
Hmm.
as you have started your journey, the thing is, sometimes we feel we don't have environment, we don't have partner to speak. So in that case, because right now everything is in our hand, and by a
Hmm.
single click we can do everything.
Hmm.
There are a lot of
Yes, ma'am. You.
application, AI
Hmm.
applications. We can use those
Hmm.
applications because I have also spent more than 2 months on my CV application. So
Hmm.
when I was learning at that time, I used to connect with co-learners and used to spend more than 2 or 3 hours sometime per day. So that is the thing. We should indulge ourselves if we think, okay, now I have started my journey. So within 2 3 months, 4 months, I have to improve anyhow. So at that time we
Hmm.
can skip other task or other work. But the thing is, if we are on journey, the thing is just speak as much as
Hmm.
possible. Whenever you get chance to speak, just speak.
Yes, ma'am. You say correctly because I also one incident to happen to me. Just we should to motivate and we should to learn and we should to focus on this language. Actually, I have there was a one meeting around in my office and the client was foreigner. So I just understand all the language, understand all the words, but in terms of speaking, I would hesitate. So I just transferred my call to my senior. So senior scolded me and senior told to my manager. So manager would like to come here and scolding me. You have experience. You have a 3 years, 4 years, but you could not be speak. That's the word hitted me, and I should go for in my room and just understand the yeah it's very the manager says correctly because you have a 3 years experience and you speak you don't speak very well. I could speak but not so much that for this type of. So lately in the month of February, and I could utilize my time only just English part. So I was started within the for 3 to 4 months. I just covered, and in fluency was very so much well. So I just go for manager and attend the same meeting in front of manager and my senior. So he will be shocked. How get you fluency? How 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 you build up in the terms of only 3 2 months? I just wait and watch. You see another Brahma in your
Drastic change you can see. Yeah, that is the thing. That is the thing. Sometimes these kind of movement hit us, and it forces us to take next step. So the thing
Hmm.
is, if you feel comfortable, can I correct your mistakes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the thing is, as you describe your all scenario in past, okay. So in that case, sometime you are using could, it's okay, but sometime you
Hmm.
are using some other tenses. So that is the thing. The thing is, in term of learning speaking and in term of speaking, we no need to learn everything. Yes,
Hmm.
present tense, past tense, and some model verbs. With the help of model verbs, we
Hmm.
can express a lot of things, express a lot of ideas. Okay, so
Hmm.
as you said, there was you can also say like this. Once upon a time, when I got connected to my client, at that time he spoke me in English, but I
Hmm.
couldn't able to reply in English.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
transferred my call to my senior, and after that, he scolded me because I couldn't speak in English. I couldn't reply in English. Okay, so that's how. you can use small sentences. No need to merge and complete structure. No, you can
Mm,
speak one by one sentence. Because the thing is, speaking is not using difficult and fancy words. It is
mm-hmm.
about communication so that the next person can easily understand what you
Yes.
convey to others. So that is the thing. So could, would, these kind of
Mm.
things we need to cover properly. Is it?
Yeah, but ma'am, if in terms of in my sector, even if you have a good fluency in English, so it doesn't matter because we should communicate our ideas in a different way. So in my field also, we just even the manager, even the TL, even the colleagues were not so much learning grammar part. But in terms of speaking, his fluency was so at raw level and so much he's getting a very huge I think I should tell you one example. There was a one person is not so much good in technical part, but his fluency was
Hmm.
fantastic. So I just told to my HR how how she hired him.
I
So
just went to my
yeah.
HR.
So just she told me his fluency was fantastic, but his technical was not so much good. That's
Hmm.
why she should hire. So
Hmm.
that's why I also just engage with the things. So
Yeah, that is the thing.
and I also focus that things.
Hmm.
So
That is the thing. So the thing is,
mm,
what do you do on
yeah,
the daily basis? What are the different activities are you follow? What's
yeah, I just bought some novel books, some 3 to 4 novel books, and
hmm.
I have to read 5 to 10 pages. But I just when we have a free time, I just write to everyone to mail. If anyone are free for a conversation video, send then tell me. So I just do only thing because in terms of speaking, I would also know that in terms of speaking, it gives me the lots of confidence to me, build up the lots of confidence
Hmm.
because even you have read so much books, but in terms of practical, we should lack. So that's why these techniques I have used when we have any free when we have a free time, and I just utilize my time to conversation video. Only that things I will do.
Hmm. Yeah. One thing I would like to mention right now, you are on beginning. Okay.
Mm,
So the thing is, what I feel personally, I always suggest my students when you feel you are beginner, you are not able to frame proper sentence, or you don't feel comfortable to speak at that time, just follow two activities. First one is listening and second one is speaking. Listen 10-20 minutes and after that speak 10-20 minutes, whatever. Suppose you are watching some video regarding to that,
yeah.
you can express your thoughts, you can write down first. Okay. Sometime if you feel you don't have words, you can take help from ChatGPT. After that, try to express those feelings and
Mm,
your expressions in English. Speak in front of camera. Okay. So when you feel comfortable in front
mm,
of camera, after that, try
mm,
to connect with someone. Same thing, try to repeat in front of them also.
mm,
So that's how you feel more energetic and confident. Because when
mm.
we feel confident, because the thing is, confidence comes first,
Yes, ma'am.
then fluency
Confidence
comes
come.
later. So that is the first thing we need to work on our confidence so that you can, without any nervousness and without any hesitation, you can express at least what you are thinking without thinking twice. Sometimes we stuck because of something. What should I speak next? How I should
Mm,
respond? What they will ask me? Okay. So when we
mm,
are our mind when indulge with multitasking, at that time we are not able to get uh, that much insightful session from the things. Okay. So that is the thing. Whenever you get time to speak, speak. Don't think
yes, ma'am.
what should I speak, what should I reply. thing is, firstly, prepare yourself regarding one
Hmm.
topic, one by one, one by one. You can, that's how you can cover all the things gradually.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, things. And ma'am, what type of you difficulties you faced in you teaching your students? So what type of difficulties you are facing? According you are a professor. So tell me.
Actually, the thing is, at our workplace, it happens with everyone. We meet different
Hmm.
people's different behaviors, and we have to also follow different ways to tackle them. Okay,
Hmm.
sometimes students are serious and passionate to about study, but sometimes they just for time pass. Okay, so in that case,
Hmm.
firstly, I need to analyze what is their perspective, why they are here. If the people, if the student is really interested, then I force them. Okay, you have to go with this flow. What are the resources you can follow, and what are the things you need to follow? Okay, so but the thing is, if we feel difficulties, this is the difficulties. Sometimes we force them. Okay, you are here, you have a time, your parents paying fees for you, so why you are wasting your time?
Hmm.
Sometime,
Hmm.
not that much, but sometime we face such kind of issue. Students don't able to analyze and don't able to understand. This is the time where they
Hmm.
can polish
Just.
their skill, where they can
Hmm.
polish their mind, and they can do what they want, because right now they have a time. When they get job,
Yes.
in that case, 9 to 5 job, in between that they don't have a time to polish their skills. At that time they can do
Hmm.
everything. So the thing is,
Yeah, there
that
was.
is,
Hmm.
sometimes we feel okay, we are not like I think we can't work on their mindset. So they have to prepare for this. Sometimes I personally suggest them sit with them and personally suggest, you are here, your parents are struggling for you, and why you are wasting your time? This is precious
Hmm.
time, golden time. The thing is, okay, you need to enjoy. Okay, you can enjoy, but balance your
Hmm.
study and balance your enjoy time.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yes. So, as sir, you said you have started your YouTube channel. So, what did you motivate to start your YouTube channel?
Yeah, ma'am. There was a one thing that uh, before 4 months ago, I just a very shy person,
Mm-hmm.
and when we have interacted with any other person, so I could very hesitate. So I just ignorable these things, and I should learn to more my English speaking part. And I should tell you, when we have when we got after the 20 to not 15 to 20 conversation is done, so I am feeling so much confident. So that's a part, and that's the thing I could say that it's being when I have when we have any talk with any other person, to interact with any other person, so I feel very joyful, because he and she given me some valuable suggestions. Suppose that you given me some correct these things, so I will implement these things in my speaking part in my daily life also.
Mm-hmm.
So how we rectified these things. So that's the thing. And I also just enjoyable when we have interact any other person. I just enjoy these conversations,
Hmm.
because we are learners, ma'am. We are not a judgeable to you are a good speaker, you are a bad speaker. We are just learner. We are just
We are learning.
correctable. Yeah, we are
Mm.
just correct our things. We should correct our thing our own way. So that's why these
Yeah,
are the
that is
things
the
to
thing. If
motivate me.
we have a learning mindset, then we can get a lot
Hmm.
of insight when we are connected
Hmm.
someone. So one thing, as sometimes you are making mistake. Okay,
Hmm.
so one, this activity is totally like a, it changed me properly. When I used to practice, when I was learning at that time, I used to capture my video for 2 minutes, through 3 minutes. It doesn't mean for 10, 20 minutes. It's not like that. Just record yourself for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, After that, watch that video again and again and try to rectify yourself what you want to
Hmm.
speak and what you
Hmm.
spoke.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's how you can make a difference. Sometimes you are using instead of could, you are using can. Instead of can, you
Hmm.
are using could. So that's how these are the things you know, the grammar part.
Hmm.
You know the
Hmm.
everything. But the thing is, your mind, your tongue, and your muscles are not habitual to use. So
Hmm.
when you watch that video two, three times, that's how you practice. That's how you
Yes.
are training your mind, your muscles. Okay. So try to again record that video again
Hmm.
and try to fix that mistake. Try to don't repeat that mistake. So it helps you a lot. You can
Yeah,
do this
definitely.
activity 10 to 15 days and you can see a lot of improvement.
Yeah, ma'am. But I would tell you that I would coordinate when we have a free 15 to before 15 to 20 conversation. I could not speak proper sentence,
Hmm.
but after getting 25 to 30 session and I just work very hard. So
Hmm.
on my speaking part, so I just get a good confidence
Yeah,
and I it because the word will be automatically came in my mind when we speak
exactly.
to a different
Hmm.
person.
Exactly.
So
That is the
just
thing. Hmm.
mm, if
Right
you are
now,
consistent, yeah, if you are
hmm,
consistent in our your speaking part, so it will definitely help for you. Otherwise, it will not.
that is the thing. Now, I can feel, I can see you are comfortable to speak, and you don't
Mm,
need to take pause, think,
mm,
what should I
mm,
speak? Okay.
mm,
The thing is, now you gain the fluency, you gain the habit of speaking. But the thing is, now
mm,
you need to work on the second step, second level, that is
mm,
uh, correct yourself where you are making mistake. Okay, first
mm,
step you have done, you have completed,
mm,
gain your habit of speaking. Okay, now you
mm,
need to polish your words, your structure. So where you can improve, okay, where I can improve myself, where I'm making mistake. So try to
mm,
analyze yourself where I'm making mistake. So this is the second step. That's how I improve. Firstly, I don't have habit to speak.
mm,
At that time, I also
mm.
struggle to speak single line, two line, how I can speak in paragraph, how I can respond to others' questions. Okay. So gradually we need to work one-to-one areas. It's not
Yeah,
like that we
definitely.
need to learn fancy and difficult vocabulary idioms, not. We
Mm,
just can
mm,
and would and should where we need to
mm,
use. Okay, as you said, I would like to share with you, ma'am. That is the thing.
mm,
Because
mm,
if we speak properly, if we polish our sentence, so it sounds attractive.
mm.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely I will implement these things on my
Try
speaking
to
part.
try to
Mm,
just focus 10 to 20 days on this activity. You can right
mm,
now you can personally I suggest you right now you can skip
mm,
your reading part. Okay.
mm,
If you want to read, then just read stories, storybooks, simple storybooks, first,
mm,
second, third class students' books you can read. Otherwise, no
mm,
need to read heavy books. No need to pressurize yourself. Thing is, we have already everything. Whatever vocabulary we have already, just learn how we can use that vocabulary into different ways. Okay. This is also art, how we can use one word into different ways.
definitely.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, do you have any other question?
Yeah, if you want to ask me anything, otherwise, yeah, that's all.
Yeah, ma'am.
Uh,
There was
do
a another session we have.
do you have another session?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. No issue.
uh,
Definitely. Uh, we will meet
So,
again if we get
yeah,
time.
ma'am.
Yeah, thank you
If we
so
have
much.
get time. Mm,
Yeah, thank you so much. It's lovely conversation and nice to meet you, sir.
thank you for me. Thank you to you for giving me some valuable suggestion, and definitely I will implement on this my speaking part. So,
Yeah,
thank you.
sure, sure. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.